In question 7, we have a graph with 4 vertices. Well, let's give them the letters A, B, C, and D. And the lengths are 8. We just go in order here. AB is 8. We'll go for BC is 8. Then we go for CD. That's also 8. And then the last one, it doesn't say which one, well, we can take any of them then. BD is 10. And we want a minimum spanning tree where this is 24. Well, that's just the 3 eighths. A, B, C, and D. We need to connect them all with no loops. So we connect A to B, B to C, and C to D. They're all 8. And then the second one they want is 26, so we need a 10, an 8, and an 8. So we connect the 10 first, and then we have 2 8s going this way. That's a 26, so just really easy question. A, B, C, and D. There are 2 potential graphs. Then in question 8, a television company wishes to link up 10 estates. Here are the distances. There are some estates with rocky outcrops between them, which means it's impossible to link them with underground cable. Find a minimum connector. So we need to list all the weights here. So I'll do this, you do this, pause the video, and then we'll match them up. So this is all the values. There are 15 of them. So just take your time, make sure they match off to mine. And let's draw the minimum connector for this estate. So we'll start with C to DM, 0.9. C to DM. DM to OG, 1.1. Then DD to EE is a 1.2. DD to EE. TF to DD. Again, it doesn't create a loop. TF to DD. DM to SS, 1.8. Up here, DM to SS doesn't create a loop. Then we have OG to MS. Again, it doesn't create a loop. MS to A doesn't create a loop either. SS to OG is 2.4. SS to OG, you can see does close off that loop there, so we won't include it. C to SS is 2.5. C to SS again closes that loop, so we won't use that one. MS to EE 2.7 doesn't close the loop, so we can use that. OG to DD is 2.8. OG to DD, you can see it does close off that right hand section. We just want doing bag now, so it's just one left. So OG to DD, we said no. OG to EE, again we'll close off that loop in there, so no. DB to TF is 3.1, well that finishes it off. That's doing back to the ferns, and you can see we have every town connected, so no to the last 2, and then we just add these up to find the total length. They add up to 16.8, and it is in kilometers, 16.8 km. When the company is laying the cable between DD and EE, this one here, they discover a colony of rare newts and are forbidden from laying an underground cable. What now is the length of the minimum connector? So we have to take this one out. Can't use that one, that 1.2. So SS to OG we don't need. So it looks like we just have to go from OG to DD. So it was 1.2 and it's now 1.8. So it's an extra 1.6. So that will be 18.4 kilometers.